Did you know cats have a third eyelid? It protects their eyes like secret ninja goggles. A cat's purr can actually heal bones and muscles. They're tiny, fluffy doctors. Cats can't taste sweetness. Chocolate? Meh. Cats sweat through their paws, especially when stressed, like at the vet. Whiskers? They're high-tech sensors. They even feel air movement. Cats dream during REM sleep, probably about food or chaos. Cats greet by touching noses. Super polite and judgmental. They can jump 6 times their body length. That's like you jumping over a giraffe. Your cat knows your voice, they're just ignoring you.